Hello everyone. So I decided to try the MCP, and I decided everyone's doing MCP. I want these Pokemon. How did I do it? Actually, I searched for an implementation of Pokemon like in Python or something because it would be very, very hard for me to connect myself to a like Game Boy emulator or something. So I actually found something very interesting, and this is Pokemon Python Red. Let me see if I can find that. Is it this one? Pokemon Clown. Oh no, not this one. Pokemon Python. And this is pretty much like a CLI terminal game of Pokemon. And well, seems to be discontinued, but a lot of people contributed to it. And honestly, the project kinda sucks. It's just like a big main.py file and then just some JSON with data. So what I did here is let's just see. Let me just run this. Python Pokemon. So yeah, new game. Welcome. So this is Pokemon. This is very familiar. And what I did is when a Pokemon battle starts, it stops being like a terminal thing and it becomes an API that's sending that you communicate with, and then it gets the communication and then doesn't fight. So it just fights via API. So yeah, so now we go downstairs and then go outside and then we go into Route 1. And that's when Professor Oak comes to us. It's like, no, it's too dangerous. Don't go out. It's unsafe while Pokemon live in the tall grass. Okay, so now I choose Bulbasaur. Love Bulbasaur. It's the worst one, but I love it. And now he chooses Charmander, and then the battles. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I already have these two MCP functions. I'll show the code later, which is get fight state. Just get the fight state, and it pretty much just returns which Pokemon is fighting which Pokemon, each one, the are available attacks, and then it decides the fighting move. So can you fight my Pokemon battle? Yeah, sure, I can. Want to ask me, allow, yeah, allow that. Okay, so you see the API. We got OC, level 5 Bulbasaur against level 5 Charmander. Battle just started. Okay, so it's going to do tackle. So we only have tackle and growl, and it's going to do tackle. Allow. Yeah, so Bulbasaur used tackle for the Charmander. Yeah, so I guess we're tied with Charmander, so can you keep on fighting until the battle is over? Let's go. Let's see it battle out. Getting the state, and then tackle again. Getting the state, tackle again. Tackle, tackle, tackle. Getting the state, and then tackle. Bulbasaur, Charmander fainted. And I think now this, yeah, this is not really working. I think it's due to Python's global interpreter lock. And yeah, we won. So as you can see, well, via the MCP, just play Pokemon for me. Of course, this is like the terminal text space, but you could, in theory, like in practice, even connect it to a Pokemon game, like a real one, and you see the video and you see all the attacks going on. So yeah, okay, let me just show you the code. Um, what I did for this, I state again. I just created two endpoints. One, you get the state. Yeah, this one should be a post request, but it doesn't really matter. It really doesn't matter in this case because the MCP is deterministic code, and I'll show you. So you have these two endpoints, and this is the state. Get the state of the battle or the fight, and then execute a move. And you're just pretty much updating a global variable, and then that global variable gets translated into a decision. Yep, that's it. By the way, this code is a mess. It's just a mess. Uh, let me look at the code of something else. Yeah, okay. So let me show you the code, and this is what actually matters. So I created a MCP server called Pokemon Fighter that has two MCP tools: the get fight state, and it just runs this get request, gets the JSON, and then returns text according to the state, the output, the response. I did this like if the battle is not ongoing, it returns battle's over, we won or we lost, but unfortunately we didn't reach that state because of the interpreter lock. And in this case, the battle is ongoing, waiting for our decision, our Pokemon, and then it's just processes this text and then returns text in the end so that Claude can read it. But this one, this is the decide fighting move string. Oh, decide. Decide. Pokemon's fighting move on this battle, it must be one of its available moves. And I guess that just from this docstring, well, just from the comment here, it really knows what to do. The move return the move was submitted, please check the status of the fight, and this gives us the loop that we want. And this is as simple as it is. And we can have Claude fighting Pokemon for us. In this case, it won. So yeah, we can use MCP or LLMs to fight Pokemon for us. Hope you guys enjoyed it.